Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for having your company. I'm going to decorate some envelopes today, which I'm going to use to send out little gifts and stuff for friends, family, and also my subscribers. I'm going to use the bits of scrap paper to do that. I've chosen these bits of scraps to use. And I can't remember which paper pad this came from, but I know it's an old one now because I haven't done any crafting for quite a while, and these have just been lying around in my scrap box. So I'm going to cover these and just make them really pretty to send out with little gifts and stuff. I'm going to cut out this one for the flap of the envelope, and then I will, where's all my pencils? Let's sharpen this pencil, and then I will embellish it. This one is an international envelope that's going abroad, so that is why I have secured it, the washi tape, a bit more with sellotape, because I don't want it lifting up. The back is okay, I suppose. I'm going to take a chance and just leave it like that, and that should be fine. I've glued the address label on thoroughly, and what I will do, I'm going to cover it with sellotape just in case the rain or anything gets to it and runs the ink. So that's what I'm going to do. And I always do that, especially with my international packages. I do usually sellotape over the address so that if water catches it or anything, it won't ruin the ink. And this is just a basic idea of how you could decorate your envelopes to make them look a bit more prettier than they are. And it's just basic. I'm going to do a few more bits and pieces to it. I just didn't want the video to run too long, and I think that is fine. I'm going to embellish it a bit more here and maybe around here, because I know the postage will be going here, so I'll leave that space between here and here, because sometimes it just depends. The postmaster might put it at the top or at the end here. So I'm just going to embellish this a bit more. I'm going to look through all my die cuts that I've got. I've got some here, I think. I've got some die cuts here. I went ahead off camera and finished them all off. So that was the first one that I filmed. And here's another one that I did. It's very simple, but at least it looks prettier than just the bare brown envelope. Put some washi tape on the flap as well, and I put the little envelope embellishment there, and this one. the melons and pineapples, and I've put a sticker there, an embellishment. It says lucky you with a horseshoe, and this one I've done as well, and that's that. So it's just to decorate your envelopes for friends and family and put little gifts in and send them off. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when we upload our new videos. Take care of your good selves and I'll see you back soon. Bye.